Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa and this is Hobby Beauty. Today we're going to be talking about the Ulta exclusive palettes, and I picked up some of the extras that they don't come with it, but you can purchase a lip duo and a cheek duo. So today we're going to be talking about the Lovebird palette here. This is what she looks like, and I'm going to insert swatches here for you to see the swatches. And then I also picked up Raven About You blush stick duo. It's got 2 blush sticks in it, and then a little Cuckoo ultra blotted lip and ultra glossy lip duo. And this is the finished look using those products, but if you want to see me try them on, go ahead and stay tuned and we'll get into it right now. Alright everyone, so we're playing with the next palette. That is Lovebird. That's what she looks like here. I played with her a little bit. And we're also going to be playing with this blush stick duo called Raven About You. It's got 2 blush sticks in it, Pretty Thing and Wallaby. And then we have a little Cuckoo ultra blotted lip and glossy lip duo, Slide ultra blotted lip, You're a Hoot ultra glossy lip. So let's get into it. First up, there isn't really a good transition shade in this one. It's got a lot of pressed glitters, but I do like this top shade here is a Super Shock Shadow, which I like. So we're going to be using our Smoke Show palette mirror, and we're going to go into the first shade here, Flower Boy. And I'm taking that on my Jeffree Star the Jeffree Star and Morphe collaboration. This is let me actually go in with a different brush first. Let me take, let's see. Yeah, we're going to take the JS 5 brush, and that's Flower Boy there in the middle. Just going to get that on my brush. And we're going to go in the crease there with Flower Boy. This is a beautiful pink. These are my kind of shades here. Going back into Flower Boy until we get it to the consistency we like. We're going to do the other side. Prime my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. Get that a little bit more. So that's Flower Boy. Next we're going to take the JS 9 brush here, and we're going to go into Side Chick. Ooh, that is a hot pink. Next up, I'm going to use the JS 12 brush, and I'm going to go into, let's see, On a Lark. Just going to put that right on top. Back into Side Chick. Put it a little bit higher. And we're going to take our finger on the Super Shock Shadow here. We're going to put that on the lid. Like the inner third of the lid. we're going to go back into the On a Lark. And we're going to fill that in to our side of our eyelid. Very pink look. So, let's clean it up a little bit with our fingers. Next up, we're going to go into the Raven About You Blush Duo. We have two cheek products, Pretty Thing and Wallaby. Let me get these on the back of my hand. So those are the two blush sticks there. I really like this second one that is Pretty Thing. But Wallaby's cute as well. It's got some shimmer to it. So we might mix them. But let's get Pretty Thing and our blush brush. You just put a little bit of product on there and blend it out. And we're going to put a little bit of Wallaby on top. Next up, we got a little Cuckoo. This is the Ultra Blotted lip and the Ultra Glossy lip. So we have the Ultra Blotted lip in Slide and the Ultra Glossy lip in Hoot. So let's try on the blotted lip first. So this is Slide. And then we have the Ultra Glossy lip in Hoot. We're going to put that right on top. So that's the Ultra Glossy. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara off camera. Alright everyone, this is the finished look using the Lovebird palette. That's what she looks like. And then I also used the, let's see, Raven About You. That was the blush duos. And the A Little Cuckoo lip duo here. Alright, let me know down below what you guys think, if you're going to pick this one up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!